ebigambo babiri nibasibura beje rushanjwe 10 bariyonza skule ya Bushenyi abamazirwa kutendeka omushomo gokundi ihanga ryabo hamwe no kurwanisa obworo kandi omujenyi mukuru abera commissioner waba RDC habwa burenje rwizoba.
And we want to thank you for the few days you have trained. Hopefully that after here you will plan to become
be a very rich man. When they say the church is having problems, he contributes. So this one, I'm coming to social economic development.
Now, to our dear students, I urge you to open your hearts and minds this week. Learn all you can, and more importantly, live what you learn.
You are now ambassadors of patriotism. You carry with you the responsibility of being role models among your peers.
Okutendeka okwetabirwa n'abeegi b'amashomero agandi abari okuhika 10,150 kandi basimire gavumenti ahabwa programu egi bari kugira ngo bayambire mu mashomero.
Okutugitandikire tutuyenda tugihurira mu mashomero agandi mingi konka ishomero turikari takakikorahoga konka murundi ogu tugize ngo teka tukikore abo kuba nikyegyesa emitwe
mezanye exercise ya patriotism ninti batwegesa kukundi ihanga ryitu turantwegomba amahanga nka Amerika nka Russia konkerizo banayega nko na Uganda nekundi ihanga yanja kwa no nakuza Amerika no nakuzayi ninkuguma ndi mu Uganda
mu Bushenyi tuyiremo student training umwaka gwahuye tuka training amwe ngura cha Bujimbi na St Charles Rwanda kitabi.
Commissioner shabara amashomero agabeja betabiro mu kutendeka uko kube cyo kureberaho mu kurwanisa ubutabanguko hamwe n'ubwesharingo mu mashomero kandi ashabara abashomesa nabo kweteka tekere yabo amakoraga gashakwa Ben Muhozi.